Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a drive to 2846 Nevada State Route 208 in Wellington, Nevada. Heading north before you cross the West Fork of the Walker River, you will notice an old red and white schoolhouse on your right. In front of this building is where we will find our next clamper marker. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Wellington Grammar School. Wellington Grammar School. In 1893-1894, Wellington pioneers Benjamin Dickinson and C.C. Turner established the Wellington School District from the larger Smith School District. This new district didn't have a permanent school, so pupils used a converted saloon until the school was completed in 1898. This was the first publicly funded grammar school in Wellington. Unfortunately, Mr. Dickinson died before he could see its completion. Originally gray with white trim, the wood frame school was located just south of here. The first teacher in this new school earned a salary of $50 per month. The school bell, personally purchased by C.C. Turner, was brought by freight wagon down Hoy Canyon and could be heard by residents clanging down the rough road. When the school closed in 1924, the bell remained hanging next to the building until it mysteriously disappeared in the 1930s. In 1972, the Compton Ranch family bought the school to house their collection of Smith Valley artifacts. The Compton family gifted the property to the Smith Valley Historical Society, and it was moved to its present location in 2012. Dedicated July 28, 2018, by the Snowshoe Thompson Chapter, 1827, of the Ancient and Honorable Order of Eclampus Vitus.